Hi there. Join me to make palak puris today. These spinachy flaky puris are enjoyed by everyone. My Nani would make it often during winters. I'm sure you too will enjoy the recipe. Did you subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for the latest updates? The main ingredient for this recipe, spinach leaves that I have washed 3 times. Make sure to wash them thoroughly and clean them before you begin. To make the puri dough, we need only the leaves. So we'll trim the leaves and reserve the stalk, which can be used up in your dal or your soup. Now for the leaves that have a thick stalk and a thick vein, just get rid of the stalk and some of the vein so that you're left with the leafy part. Now this can easily be kneaded into the dough. These will go into my vegetable stock and the leaves I'll just steam them. Over to my steamer. The water is already boiling inside it. Place the leaves. Spread them out. Cover and cook on medium heat. Checking after 30 seconds. Those look done. Just turn them over. Make sure that all of them have wilted. Just keep turning and tossing. They are done. So turn off the heat. Take them out and put them in a bowl. Add in some water, preferably chilled water. I'll just add in some ice to cool it down. Now that the leaves have cooled down, just get them out of the water. Press lightly to get rid of the excess water. Reserve this water. You may require it later. In the meantime, just chop up the leaves roughly. That should be fine. Move this to a side. This is 2.5 cups of Maida or all-purpose flour. We'll be using a nutmeg for flavoring. We'll require about a pinch of nutmeg, not more than that. Spinach and nutmeg are a great combination. Season with salt according to your taste. Give it all a quick mix. About 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Mix well. Add in the spinach and use the spinach to knead the dough. Make sure to mix it in very well. Take your time. The kneading is the most important part. Use both your hands if required and just break down the bigger lumps of spinach because they have a lot of moisture in them. And as you keep doing this, you will see that your dough is starting to come together. Use a bit of that spinach water to knead a smooth dough. You could use whole wheat flour or a mixture of whole wheat flour and all-purpose flour for this recipe. It's best to use all-purpose flour to get that spectacular effect. Once it has all come together, knead it for about 2 minutes to get a soft, smooth dough. That is done. It should spring back to the touch. So time to give it a rest for about 15 to 20 minutes. Cover it and keep it aside. Knead the dough lightly and make small balls out of it. Use a bit of oil or ghee to help with the rolling. Try the recipe. If you like it, leave your feedback in the comment section and share it with your friends. The more you spread it out, the more spinach specks it reveals. Now here's a closer look. See how the spinach leaves are embedded in the puri. That's lovely. Roll out the rest of them. Fry the puris in hot oil. Till they have puffed up. Drain on absorbent paper. Fry the rest. Serve them hot with aloo dum or a vegetable of your choice. And enjoy!